In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable PDF button on Wix. If you want visitors to your website to be able to download a PDF directly from a button, Wix makes the process very simple. This is useful if you want to share a brochure, a guide, a menu, a price list, or any other document that people may want to save to their device. I'll walk you through the setup clearly so you can follow along inside your own Wix editor. Own Wix editor. To begin, go to the page where you want the downloadable PDF button to appear and open Edit Site. Once you're inside the editor, look at the page and decide whether you already have a button you want to use. If you do, simply click on that existing button to select it. If you don't already have a button on the page, go to the top left corner and click Add. From there, search for Button. Wix will show you button options that you can place onto the page. Click the button you want and add it to your layout. After that, you can position it wherever it makes the most sense for your visitors, such as near a description of the file or in a section where people would expect to download something. Once your button is selected, look at the row of options that appears above it and click Link. This is where you choose what happens when someone clicks the button. In the link settings, select the Document option. This is the key step because instead of linking the button to another page or a website address, you're connecting it directly to a file. From there, you'll be able to upload your PDF. Choose the document you want people to download and let Wix attach that file to the button. After the upload is complete, the button will now link to your PDF. And that's it, your downloadable PDF button is now set up. As a quick tip, make sure the button text clearly tells visitors what they're getting, so there's no confusion when they click it. Also, it's a good idea to preview your site and test the button yourself before publishing, just to confirm the PDF opens or downloads the way you expect. Once everything looks good, save your changes and publish your site so visitors can start accessing the document. That's the full process for adding a downloadable PDF button on Wix.